Hey there, how's it going everyone? It's Nikki here, and I wanted to come and talk about one of my cute new girly toys that I have, and that is the Mooca Acrylic rotating eyeglass display. And I've had it for, I say, about 3 months now, and I, had sunglasses that are pretty much just like laying everywhere, just like sitting all over the dresser. So I went onto Google and I looked up like sunglass case, sunglass storage, sunglass display, and this cute thing popped up. It's very inexpensive. It really didn't cost that much at all, and it's just freaking adorable. Like, it's just a really cute way to set up your sunglasses, like a cute way to have them not just strewn about and then also run the risk of breaking them somehow because they're not up somewhere safe. And then plus it's kind of like, ladies, you're shopping every day after you get dressed, and then you can go to your sunglass display and figure out what you want to put on with your outfit. Like, I totally love this. So when it arrives, it's very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it being too heavy or anything when it arrives. But when it comes, there's going to be the top, there's going to be the bottom, and then, if you want to say, I'll just call it the legs here. And if I can put this together, anyone can put this together. An infant can put it together if I can. So it's pretty much you're taking the legs here, and it's going to slide into there, into the hole, as you can see. And then it's also going to do the same at the bottom there. And you pretty much just do all 4 of them, and bam, you are ready to put up your sunglasses. And I did have like a rhyme or reason to how I like here, like I want it to go like all white, here the aviators, just have fun with it. Sometimes I just take them down and just to put them back up and play. You know how we are, ladies. And then once you have all your legs put on, then you just slide those sunglasses on, fold them in, and bam, you've got your sunglasses on display. It fits like onto your dresser really, really well. I'm so in love. I love it. And then it's like a really good reason to go shopping for more sunglasses. So just to fill it in. And then after you fill it in, you have to go buy another because, oh, I don't have any more space for any more sunglasses. So now I have to go buy another one. Just get all the way girly with it. So fellas, if you are watching this, this is a really, really cute and unique gift to get your girlfriend, wife, mom, whoever, the lady in your life, like, especially if, she's into accessories and very, very girly and has a bunch of sunglasses. It's like so easy to put together. Oh, I'm gonna have to put the rest of them on. It's so cute. There really isn't much information about the Mooca company. Try looking them up. I really didn't find too much info about them. As you can see, the legs are clear and the base is black. It's about 19.5 inches in height. Made out of acrylic and plastic. 2.6 pounds, but that's not including if you have a bunch of sunglasses on there. But just it by itself is 2.6 pounds. It's really easy to wipe down because it will get dusty, and of course it's going to show up really easily on the black, so it's really easy to wipe down. One thing that I will say is that you see here, it's not the sturdiest of items, but really, since this is going to be, in your space, ladies, so, we'll have it put away to where we don't really have to worry too much about it being knocked over, unless you have a cat like I do that really likes to jump up onto your dresser and get into things. So that is something to be mindful of. Like, wherever you do put it, you want to have it somewhere where it's not going to be accidentally bumped into, because it can very easily just knock right on over, and you don't want that because it will break. It's not the sturdiest. It's just plastic and acrylic. If it falls onto a hard surface, it probably will. It's gonna crack, it's gonna break, and then of course your sunglasses are going to break. Way too big to travel with. Don't do that. But it is easy to then take it apart if you move or something like that, and it's easy to take it apart and then reassemble it when you get to your new place. And really, it's just so light, you can just take it as is. It is a really, really fun, cute product that I'm really glad that I purchased. It makes my life a whole lot easier because all of my sunglasses are in one space, and it helps keep me mindful of being more tidy. Instead of just taking my sunglasses off and just setting them anywhere, like I have somewhere that I store them and that I want to keep them because I like how it looks. So of course you want to go back to your sunglass display, girls. Alright, thanks for watching.